'Tis the season to say thank you. It's times like these where we reflect upon the amazing impact we've been able to generate, and it's all because of you. We applaud the accomplishments of 2022 and look forward to the year to come. We're proud of our staff for adding new skills, mentoring others, and reaching new career milestones. We worked hard to build a positive culture, and our employees agree.
We're thrilled to be Great Place to Work certified for the second year in a row.
– 2022 marks the third time Beacon Funding has been named a Best Place to Work in Chicago. We're dedicated to making Beacon Funding an even better place to work for staff and their families. We are so happy to have made up for lost time. And every day, there are 1,440 minutes, and those are daily opportunities to make a positive impact. Here's to an impactful 2023.